Hey guys, we're here to present to you today our newest portable sawmill, which is the Rebel. The Rebel is in fact our entry-level sawmill that is a little bit more compact and comes standard with a 9 HP on the motor. It is the perfect sawmill for beginners or for smaller projects. But you'll see that even with its smaller stature, it doesn't have any conflicts with the rest of the Vallee portable sawmills. Let's take a look together. The Rebel's cutting width capacity is the same as the Little Blue and Big Red at 30 inches for 13 feet cutting length. Given its road tires and suspension, the Rebel can be towed wherever you'd like. On the stabilization side, the Rebel is supported by 4 heavy-duty jacks graded at 2,000 pounds. And as all of our sawmill, it is ready to saw right away with its 3-lug supports and its 2-lug clamps. So as all our other sawmills, the Rebel also has the exclusive one-step go system, allowing the operator to control 4 operations in 1 action. One of the particular points about the Rebel is that the cutting height control is done manually. It is the same thing with the motor starter, which is really easy to use. The Rebel, available directly at Vallee Forestry Equipment or at any of our dealers' locations. Financing available. Visit our website.